Hello, everyone. Welcome to Christian Weather Broadcasting. Repent and put your faith in Jesus, because only He can save you from hell. If you'd like to know more, check the gospel message down in the description. Right now, you're looking at Tropical Storm Idalia, which is forecast to become a hurricane. And it's going to make landfall in Florida. You can see right here there is a center of circulation in that storm, and you can see there's an area bubbling up right there outside of that center of circulation, and on infrared satellite imagery, though there are cold cloud tops in that. So I believe that means there's convection in that spot. Whether that means it's intensifying as of now, we will see, because there is I don't have it pulled up right now, but there is a mission, a Hurricane Hunter mission going into the storm right now, the third one, and we're going to get obviously some more information. Let's bring you to what the GFS forecasts for this system. The GFS is forecasting 961 millibars at landfall, which is a Category 3 hurricane. It's a very large hurricane, and it's predicted to go out through the Outer Banks of North Carolina. The ECMWF gives us a little bit of a different story. The ECMWF is not predicting as intense of a hurricane, bringing us down to around 991 millibars. So the ECMWF is predicting a lot less of a storm. The CMC is also predicting around Category 1 hurricane. The NAVGAM as well, and the ICON is around same intensity, close to the same intensity, maybe less intense than what the ECMWF is forecasting. Let's go to the HMON model, which is showing the absolute most intensity for this hurricane. This is definitely the strongest intensity out of the models. The HMON is forecasting an incredible 931 millibars at landfall, and it's forecast to go up through South Carolina and further inland. Now, let's go to the HAFSA model, and this also is forecasting an extremely intense hurricane. And this model can give us a little of an idea if it follows this track and does get to this intensity. Not just the coast will be experiencing the powerful effects of this hurricane, because as you can see, the HAFS is keeping that thing at a 948 millibars, which is a very intense hurricane. As I said, the GFS is forecasting around 961, which is Category 3. So this thing is forecasting a giant hurricane, and you can see that's not near the coast where the low is in that portion. It's still on land, and it's forecast to still be in the 980s, which may mean it may be in a hurricane strength when it moves through Georgia and then moving out into the Atlantic Ocean. Luckily not. Doesn't seem that it'll re-intensify. So this storm, because of its intensity and speed, it'll be moving fast. We may not see extreme rapid weakening on landfall. Now that's just something to keep in mind. How do the water temperatures look? Well, as you can see, very warm water temperatures around Florida. So that pink area is the very warm water temperatures. It's going to be moving up into those warm water temperatures. And as we know, hurricanes need that very warm water for intensification. And because it'll be in that warm water, it'll have what it needs for intensification. And as far as wind shear goes, it doesn't seem that wind shear will affect the storm, because according to the models, it'll strengthen right up until landfall. So we can expect anywhere from a Category 1 to a Category 3 for Tropical Storm Idalia. And we're going to have more information on this later. Thank you for watching. This has been Christian Weather Broadcasting.